Hello and welcome to another Secrets Tech video. This is a bit of a test video, this one. I'm trying out my new phone camera on 4K. On my most recently uploaded video, about over 40% of people are watching on a TV. So I guess that's a big screen TV and probably 4K. So I thought I'd give this a go, but the problem is, will my 10-year-old computer be able to render the video? Once you've edited it, it has to convert it and output it ready to be into a video file, then I can upload it. And typically per minute of video takes about a minute and a half to go through the process of outputting it. So that's on a standard definition 1080 video, and this is now going to be 4K, which is 4 times the resolution. And that's odd. I thought there were 3 of these on here. I'm trying to do it all in one take. Let's put it that way. I'm trying to do it all in one take because if I can't edit it, I can just upload it straight as it is. So this is 4 of these from a 10 pack. And, you know, it's pretty typical TDK FE90s. Let's get the camera moved down. I'm going to try and do it without editing. So if you've noticed an edit there, then obviously my computer has managed to do the job. So let me find the listing. There we go. So I bought this. I don't need any more cassettes, to be honest, but I bought this for £2.07 and £2.70 postage. And this was a marketplace seller, so I didn't pay the oh, it does include the 77 pence for buy protection. And I had also ordered a Type 2 cassette TDK as well, and that was for about £3.50. I won that auction, but then for some reason the seller cancelled it, saying apparently he didn't contact me, he just cancelled it and said it was either broken or not available. And I think for £3 something including postage, he just didn't want to send it out. He thought it was too not a high enough bid, and he's cancelled it, pretending it's been lost or damaged or whatever. So I didn't get that Type 2, because Type 2 is typically going for about £6 each. Let's unwrap one of these. I think if you're into cassettes, you've seen these and probably unwrapped some yourself, especially if you're of a certain age. You would have unwrapped TDKs like this before, but maybe 30 or 40 years ago. So let's look and see what a new one fresh out the box looks like. So I've got my new phone splashed out on that. Shouldn't spend that much money on a phone. I've now got my lights as well, 2 lots of lights, because 4K needs a lot of light. And hopefully I won't need to buy a new computer to edit it. So let me know, what do you think of the new quality? This should be 4K. Obviously YouTube will then downgrade it a little bit as they get it ready to be posted. But is this better? If you're watching on a big screen, I apologise for the state of my hands. I'm going to have to go and get a manicure now if someone wants to shoot a video. So where's my Bic? Here it is, always within reach. So look at this tape. Getting quite in close up there, aren't we? Right. Now then, we've got a 7.1 zoom on this camera. It's got a different mode, but I don't think I can change the mode. It can't focus on that zoom level. Focus all the way down here. Let's have a look. So autofocus doesn't quite work. Let's try it like this. You see how transparent it is? Let's go to 3.5. I think there's another zoom level. So there we go on a telemacro shot. I don't know what quality this is going to be. It says 307. I think it means 307 millimeters. So are they the grains of magnetic oxide that we can see on the tape? It's as good as I'm going to get without getting a microscope. And I hope I can put an edit in, because I didn't add in the stickers or the inlay card, or the J card should I say. There's the typical stickers. The cassette box itself you should be familiar with. It should have a TDK logo on it somewhere. Well, they used to. There it is, TDK. So you know it's a TDK box. It'll have a TDK embossed logo on it. Not much of a J card, this one. Literally is just a J. Does give you some options there. Very nice to be opening new cassettes though. I've got so many used cassettes and quite a few new old stock Type 1 cassettes, which I would probably have got enough Type 1 cassettes for anything I will need. New ones, so I might not be using the second hand ones, the used ones, anymore, unless they're more unusual. So that's it. Give me a like if you like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe and pop over to my Patreon. There's a link in the description, and you can see how you can get ad-free early access to most of my videos. So thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video.